Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write easy and best essay on how I spent my summer holidays. I had an amazing holidays in my native village with my parents and grandparents. Firstly, I enjoyed the peaceful and beautiful surroundings of the village. There were green fields, tall trees, and colorful flowers everywhere. Every day, my grandparents and I would go for long walk in the village. I also enjoyed the delicious food prepared by my grandmother. She cooked mouth-watering meals using fresh ingredients. In the evening, we sat outside under the starry sky, and my grandparents told me some interesting stories about their childhood. As I returned home, I carried the beautiful memories and happiness of the village in my heart. I am eager to visit again next summer and create more beautiful memories with my grandparents in my beloved native village. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel for more latest videos.